Hi, my name is Jonathan Widmer with the Bobcat Company, and today I want to talk to you about hydraulic accessories on Bobcat tractors. Some of these accessories include third function kits and rear remote hydraulics. So before I get into the specifics of third function kits and rear remote hydraulics, I want to talk to you about the overall system design of the hydraulics on the Bobcat tractors. So the way that the system is designed is it's in a priority sequence. So in order to understand this, just think about first priority would be the lift system on the front end loader. Second priority would be the tilting of the bucket or the attachment on the front of the front end loader. And the third priority would be the third function kit or the rear remote hydraulics that we're about to talk about. So in order to picture this in a more real world scenario, think about if you're carrying a heavy load on the front and you're trying to adjust a hydraulically adjustable implement on the rear of the tractor. In the exact moment in time that you're trying to adjust the front end load and you're utilizing a lot of hydraulic flow from this available flow, the rear implement will be slowed down just momentarily until the system can catch back up and you're done adjusting the front end loader. Okay, so now that we've talked about the priority, let's talk about the different types of accessories. First one being the third function kit. It's called the third function kit because it's the third range of motion for the front end loader. So the first range of motion is the lifting of the front end loader. The second range is the tilting of the bucket or the attachment on the front. And the third would be, think about operating a grapple. And this is done via push buttons on the loader joystick inside the cab. And this is, in a very common application for this would be to utilize a grapple to pick up logs or brush when you're cleaning up the property. Okay, now we talked about the third function kit a little bit. Let's go to the rear of the tractor and what we call rear remote hydraulics. So rear remote hydraulics are ports of hydraulics that you can install on the rear of a tractor that allow you to adjust implements or operate implements. So a couple examples of these would be, and I'll go through them in order of most common. So the first most common style of rear remote hydraulics is a spring style. So if you're going to utilize a spring style, think of adjusting an implement where you might not want it all the way on one side or the other, or all the way raised or all the way lowered. You might want to pick a position somewhere in between. So to utilize this style, you simply operate the lever. As soon as your implement's in the position you want it to be, you simply let go of the lever and the implement will stop being adjusted. It'll stay in that position until you adjust it again. The second style of rear remote hydraulic is called a float style of rear remote hydraulic. And that's actually a perfect style to operate an implement such as what's behind me right here is a flex swing rotary cutter. So the reason that these are beneficial is, and it's called float for a very intuitive reason. It allows your implement to float on the contour that you're operating it on. So in this example, we would install the wing circuit into the float ports on the tractor. When you put the wings down and operate the cutter, you can go over through road ditches or over hills, and the wings can simply float over the contours without fighting the hydraulic system of the tractor. And the third and last style of rear remote hydraulics is called a detent style. And this one's simple to understand, is simply on or off. So if you push the lever forward, you'll simply turn on the hydraulic system on the rear and have continuous flow. And if you pull the lever backwards, the system will completely shut off. For more information, contact your local Bobcat dealer. Now let's get to work.